because we are looking at a little less cloud cover as we head into tomorrow morning. But right now, that's not the story. We're dealing with more of that marine influence because we had the circular eddy right off the coast. This is a live look with our Avalon Bay Catalina Island camera, where they had a spectacular fireworks show last night. 64 currently for Ontario, 64 near the airport, 57 for Camarillo, and we have 61 for Burbank. As you head a little bit higher up toward the high desert communities, we have temperatures currently at 64 degrees. The winds are light to calm this morning, but we also have this beach hazard statement. So that means we're dealing with elevated surf as we head into this big holiday weekend. Anywhere from 3 to 6 foot waves from Ventura County down to San Diego County, dangerous rip currents and higher than normal tides. And that's going to take place each and every night. So just be aware of that. Always remember to swim near a lifeguard. So this beach hazard statement is all because of Hurricane Barbara still spinning in the Pacific. Currently in Category 1 hurricane, trekking to the west-northwest toward the Hawaiian Islands. But you can see it doesn't look like it's going to hit the Hawaiian Islands at all. It's either going to go to the south or go to the north. But it is bringing us these strong south swells, and that will last until about Sunday. We have a low pressure system to the north of us that brought us a cooler air. It's weakening, moving off to the east, allowing a little bit of a warm up for the weekend. And then we're gearing up for a big warm up by the end of next week, where we are talking temperatures well above average. So that's something that we're watching. But today temperatures remain slightly below average, and then we're looking at temperatures going down just a touch for Sunday and Monday before that big warm up really ramps up.